Today, I'd like you to come along with me to check out Orphan. Located in East Sacramento in the McKinley Park neighborhood at 3440 C Street. Let me start off by letting you all know that parking for Orphan is horrible, especially during the weekdays. On weekends, you can get away with parking across the street in the medical building parking lot. You're probably not supposed to park there, but it's the only thing available and you shouldn't have a problem with that. It's on you. I've been parking there for a long time. You'll see no parking signs just like these all around the restaurant. Parking is primarily for the residents in the area, and that's the reason for the parking designations. Orphan has their own parking lot, but it's tiny and gets real tight. There's only about 3 spots in front of the building on the street, and it looks like about 4 more in the parking lot. Consider yourself informed. Weekends here can get extremely busy, and there's good reason for that. Once you have a meal here, it will all become clear. Known for its cozy neighborhood feel with cash or check only policy. I don't know who's still using checks in 2026, but Orphan says they accept them. The breakfast is top notch, and the daily crowd willingly waiting to get a seat clearly agrees. There's only 2 contenders in Sacramento for the #1 breakfast spot, and that is Orphan and Bacon and Butter. 2 different styles, but equally unique. I'll let you listen into the sound level and check out the vibe here. If you need a little more peace and quiet, you might want a seat outside in their heated and covered seating area. Orphan will most always have a specials menu posted outside somewhere, just like this one here. And check out this coffee I got. Very unique. This is their pour over. I ordered a medium roast con panna. I want you all to check this out. Yes, that's a jug of real maple syrup. This should be the standard. It's details like this that make Orphan great. Orphan also makes their own jam. It's more of a compote than a jam. It pairs perfectly with the toast or the pancakes. On this day, I ordered the steak and eggs, which is served with a horseradish cream sauce. There are really wonderful touches like this with all their dishes. One of the highlights here are the rosemary potatoes. If it's your first time, you must try the potatoes. Truly unique and prepared to perfection. Just a heads up for the newcomers. Orphan is famous for not serving ketchup, but honestly, with these potatoes and their house salsa, you won't miss it. Now, a lot of people know Orphan for breakfast, but they do have lunch. If you come Monday through Friday from 11 to 2 p.m., the menu switches up. They do incredible sandwiches like a pesto chicken or a classic BLAT. And they even have great Asian fusion bowls. It's a totally different vibe from the weekend brunch rush and definitely worth checking out. At Orphan, the food is incredibly consistent. I've been coming here since the beginning and the food has not changed much at all. Another reason Orphan is at the top. There are great vegan options here. Actually, there are many, probably dominating the menu. Items like the Zen breakfast or the soy chorizo skillet are fantastic. But don't worry, meat eaters, they have plenty of meat too. And you can always order a side of bacon or a sausage patty with any meal. My favorites here are the avocado scramble, a stack of naked cakes, papas loco, and the grande breakfast burrito, which I always add bacon to. One final tip before you go, Orphan is cash only. They have an ATM inside, but save yourself the fees and come prepared. Now, after a massive meal like that, I like to keep the blood sugar in check. And honestly, there's no better way to do that than a walk in this neighborhood. And luckily, we are just a stone's throw away from the crown jewel of East Sacramento. Just a few blocks south of Orphan sits the legendary McKinley Park. This isn't just a park. It's the heartbeat of the area. You've got the famous Rose Garden, which is an absolute must-see when it's in bloom, and the duck pond right in the center. But the real draw for us walkers is the perimeter loop It's a soft, decomposed granite trail that saves your knees, and it's almost always packed with locals, joggers, and people just walking off their pancakes. It's the perfect 1 mile loop to digest, get some fresh air, and appreciate why East Sacramento is such a special place to live and eat. Thank you for joining me on this one, and have a blessed day.